Did anyone order a Note 7? I know I did. And finally it's here. The Note 7, Samsung's latest flagship for 2016. So very looking forward to unboxing this. I'm going to check it out here. Have a look at Samsung's latest beauty. Oh, I got quivers all over me. Come on, it's been too long, you know, it's been too long. I bet you've already seen a million unboxings, so I'm going to make this one quite quick. Probably don't even need to use a knife here. Whoops. It's a bit silly. So this one isn't the easiest to get open. There we go. Oh, that looks nice. Look at that. This is a blue coral phone. As you can see. Wow. Indeed. Reminds me of a pair of Levi jeans for some reason. I don't know why, but nice. Which is very nice, as you can see. So we're going to put that on the side for a second, have a look at what else you get. So basically, you can see we get a nice high quality fast charger, which, you know, should charge you up pretty quick. You also get your earphones, and they seem to be high quality as well. Something else which I haven't quite figured out what it is yet, and a USB connector. So your standard stuff. Put all that back in the box. And on the side, and we're going to look at the good boy here. This is feeling absolutely fantastic in the hand. Indeed it is. What else do we need to do? We need to unpeel. We need to get rid of this. There we go. Very nice. And we have something here. So with this particular colour, you can see they've put some like gold kind of edge going around it, which is interesting. I thought it was uniformly blue. So it's like a bigger version of the S7 Edge, I guess. You know, not a massive departure in terms of design. It feels very durable, and it's quite amazing that it's actually 5.7 inches. It feels a lot smaller. Amazing that they fit that into such a small package. So very impressive build here. Type-C now as well, which we should have really saw with the S7. Nice. I'm going to boot it up. Oh. Gives a very authoritarian kind of as it boots up. So we'll just go through this nice and quick. Put my password in. So terms and conditions. Yes, yes, yes. Checking connection. Button feels nice and clicky.
Voice assistant enabled.
Whoa.
While exploring the screen, touch interaction.
No.
Just a sec.
No.
Voice assistant disabled.
Thank God. I thought I'd lost myself then in talkback hell. And for those of you who don't know what that is, it's where you enable talkback and you don't even know how to disable it, and you're in the middle of like a public place. It's not the most fun thing to do. So you can see there's a lot of stuff here you can skip that we don't need. They seem to have made it so long now, the setup process. I mean, seriously, I just want 2 or 3 clicks and then I'm in, kind of thing. Look at this. Secure folder. I don't care about that. Nice. I do care about this though. Whoa. We have the new Sami UI. Wow. This is the Grace UX, obviously, which is fresh, very fresh. And we have something here, Apps Edge. So they've integrated the Edge kind of functionality into the Note here, which is what I was asking for, you know, a long time ago. That's good. So they've really changed everything here. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to keep up with it. Software, Android 6.0.1, July patch level. Wow, even this has changed. So this is the news area. And obviously we do have the pen as well, which I'll probably not use after 1 month, but still interesting here to check it out. Apparently it works underwater, so that could be something here. Can't write on the screen, I don't think, when it's off. Let's try now. Yeah, there you go. So that's quite nice. We also have iris scanner as well, apparently, which was first, I'm getting lost, which was first implemented on the Lumia 950, but apparently this one works a million times better. So I'll definitely be doing some videos with this one, you know, checking it out, see how it compares here, because, you know, I have seen some camera reviews already on it, and some publications saying that the Note 5 was a little bit better when it came to the details, like in terms of, you know, more megapixels. The HTC 10 as well has been praised by some publications for doing a little bit better in certain environments, but it certainly looks like a fantastic camera here. You can see we have live broadcasts, etc. You know, pretty much suited and booted here when it comes to the latest technology, so we don't expect any you know, badness here. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing here. First look of the brand new Note 7. If you've got any questions, do let me know. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.